Today we will make highway style chicken karahi recipe. Take a cup of oil and heat it well. The oil is well heated. Now add 4 to 5 green chilies and fry it. The green chilies are already fried. We will take them out. Now we will add 4 to 5 red chilies and onions. Cook the onion until soft. Now add the chicken. Cook the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame. Then add the garlic ginger paste. Add a spoonful of salt to the chicken and add 4 to 5 chopped tomatoes. Turmeric powder, half tablespoon. Crushed black pepper, half tablespoon. Garam masala powder, half tablespoon. Red chili powder, half tablespoon. Roasted coriander, half tablespoon. Coriander powder, half tablespoon. Mix all the spices well. Now cover the chicken for 10 minutes on medium-high flame. Minutes have passed. Now add a spoonful of vinegar and a spoonful of soy sauce to the chicken. Mix well and cover for 5 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, the chicken has become soft. Now it will be deep fried. The chicken is fried well. Now add chopped ginger, fried chilies, and coriander. After mixing the ingredients well, take out the chicken in a bowl. Highway style chicken karahi is ready. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel, Shumaila Food Secret.